Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Tamika. Hello gorgeous. Alright, so if you're new, again, welcome, and thank you all to my new subscribers. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Alright, so let's go ahead and get right into this video because it's going to be nice, short, and sweet. Baby, is going to be short and sweet. So make sure you go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get right into this video, okay? Alright, so today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about this trend that is on TikTok. I'm sure all of you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. So we are going to be talking about this trend that is on TikTok, okay? So it is this coffee and lemon drink. It is supposed to like help you lose, it's supposed to help you lose a lot of weight. A lot of people are, you know, making videos about this. I did see Keisha Rose, she made a video about it. So I decided to just go ahead and, you know, give it a little try and see what it do, okay? I noticed everyone is using the Nestle Toasters coffee. Now child, that coffee is $10. So I was like, that's what hindered me from even trying this whole coffee thing anyway, is because I'm not spending $10 just for coffee. Just drink it black and then you pour lemon juice in it. I'm not spending $10 for that. I am a coffee drinker, but I'm not going to spend $10 for just some coffee in order to lose weight and drink it black the way that I don't want to drink my coffee. Okay, you get what I'm trying to say? Okay. Searching through her comments to see what people were talking about, and that said, hey Keisha, can it be any coffee? And she said yes. So that right there gave me the green light. So I went on ahead and pulled out my coffee that I already had in my cabinet, which is the donut coffee, which is the donut shop coffee, which is medium, bright, and balanced. So I used that instead. So I went ahead, got me a cup, get my lemon, and I poured it in there. I used no cream, no sugar, just straight black with lemon juice. That's all you need. And I believe I drank this for about 3 days. I was supposed to complete a whole 7 days, but I kept forgetting to do it. So the results should be here or on the left, whichever one, and I'll show you the results from my beginning to my end. And I can say that, does this coffee work? Yes, it does work, okay? It does work. Now, what was I eating? I ate whatever I wanted. I did a calorie deficit. I want to go ahead and keep that up, and then I just incorporated with the black coffee and lemon, and that's how I was able to lose my weight. Is this something that I can keep up? I don't mind, because after all, your taste buds will get used to it. But other than that, child, if you want to go ahead and test it out yourself, make sure you weigh yourself in the beginning. Try it out for a couple of days and then see where you at. You don't have, well, I'm not going to say you don't have to change what you're eating. I just chose to just stay in a calorie deficit. So if you want to try it, or if you have tried it, please just go ahead and drop your comment down below and let your sister know what happened. How did you feel? How many days did you do it? How many pounds did you lose? Let me know and we'll go from there. But until then, honey, do your thing. Stay at whatever you're doing. Make sure you are consistent in whatever you do. Make sure you are happy and just staying motivated to lose weight, so while you're on your healthy weight loss journey. Alright guys, I will talk to you later. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe and comment down below and like this video, and I will check you out a little bit later, okay? Bye gorgeous.